Hey guys, welcome back. So this is our day 12 of 50-day DSA practice in C++ by Logic and Math. Okay, and our today's topic is linked list. We are going to solve 5 questions from the topic linked list. Okay, so start. Your first question is reverse a linked list. Our first problem is reverse a linked list. Okay, that means we have given a list. Okay, that means like let's take an example. We have given a linked list like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and null. Okay, here is head. Okay, we have given a list like that: 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to reverse it. This is input. Our output will be after reversing. After reversing, it will become 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is our final output. After reversing 1, 2, 3, 4, it will become 4, 3, 2, 1. Simple. Is it simple now? So just think how we are going to solve it. We have to write it again. This is our 1. This is our second node. 3, and this is 4. This is null. This is our head. Okay, it's our input. We have to reverse it. That means we have a head now. Only given head pointer. We can take like if we talk about the approach. Okay, approach is we can use a current node, a previous node, and a for next temporary node. Current node will be pointed to head. Previous will be, previous means current previous. Current previous, that is pointed to first null. And temp is current next. Why we use temp? Because if we current is here, null previous is here, then we have to like that na, this pointed to next one. We have to point it this to the previous one because we have to reverse now. That simply next pointer reverse to the previous, and if this pointer goes to previous, then we lose the access of this node because the access of this node is this pointer na, or this pointer we reverse to the previous. That means we will lose the access. So first we store it in temp variable. Okay, means temp node. After that we reverse. Okay, so we take 3 point node: current, previous, temp. Means 3 pointer. We have 3 pointer like current, previous, temp. Okay, understand? Current will be pointed to head, previous will be null, and temp will be the current next. After that, in temp save the next node. Understand? And what we will do, we can say like current next goes to previous. That's it. Current next goes to previous. Okay, after that current goes to the temp goes to the next. Okay, previous goes to the current. So first of all, previous goes to current goes to next, temp. Okay, and temp is current next. Okay, this is our approach. Let's take a dry run. Okay, we will dry run our code. Okay, first, second, third, and fourth. This is our list. this is head. We take 3 pointer na, current, okay, previous, and our code will be right the code here. Means we have to check while current knows the, means while current is present, means current is not now. Just simply what you have to do, current next goes to the previous, or first of all, wait a second, first of all we have to initialize something now. Just take a node star first current on the head, okay. Second will be the previous point to the null first, and the last. That's it. Right now that's it. While current is present, means current is not null. Then what you have to do? Simply take a node star temp. That is temp equal to current next. Current. Wait a second now. It's not our boundary. Current next. Temp is this. Current next. So current next will be this now. Is this. So temp is here. After that, what you have to do? We store this and we store this now in temp mode. Okay. Then the current next goes to the previous. What did I say? Current next. This is current next now. Current next goes to the previous. Okay. So here we can write current next will be previous. Okay. This goes to the previous. Now move the pointer. Previous goes to the current. Previous equal to current. And current goes to the temp. Current goes to the temp. Current goes to the temp here. After that, it goes to the previous here. Current is here. And temp will be the current next. Okay. Now, current next will be previous. Previous is here now. Current next will be the previous. This one. Okay. After that, move the pointer. Previous here. Current here. Temp here. Okay. Again, current is not now. Then temp will be the this one. Current next goes to the previous. Current next goes to the previous. This is previous. After that, previous goes to the current. Current goes to the temp. Temp goes to the next. Temp is now. Okay. Current is not now. Current is a node now. Last node. Then previous goes to the current next goes to the previous. Current next goes to the previous. After that, previous goes to the current. Previous goes to the here. And current goes to the temp current. After that, check current is present, current is null. Then stop. We break the loop. While condition, we break the while condition. After that, we have to return. What we have to return? From this to this, na? Our like here. Just look at this. Here is previous. Head is here and temp is null, current is null. Okay. So if we return the previous, if you return the previous, that means it goes to the previous is 4. 4 goes to the 3 now. This one. 3 goes to 2. 2 goes to 1. And 1 goes to the null. This is null now. Previous is point to first null. Okay, this is our previous. Here is our head. We have two options. After while loop, we have to return previous or if you want to return head. Okay, so head first of all we can say we can return this at simple. But if you want to return head, what you have to do? Head goes to the previous. Head equal to previous. Okay, then return head. This is our approach. Understand? Again, I will explain again. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this pointer to null. This is our head. We have 3 pointer. We take 3 pointer. Current pointed to head first. Null. Null. This is null. Na? Our previous is here first. Second. Yeah. Take second. Perfect. That's it. Previous is here. Now, what you have to do? Just simply store this in temp. Okay. Clear? After that, current next goes to the previous. This goes to the previous. Then move the pointer. Previous goes to the next. Means current. Current goes to the temp. Okay. After that, temp will be current next. This is our temp. Okay. Then what you have to do? Then current next goes to the previous. Previous. Okay. Again, previous goes to the current. Current goes to the temp. Temp is next. Current next goes to the previous. Previous here na. Okay. After the previous goes to the current. Current goes to the temp. Temp goes to the next. After that, current next goes to the previous. Previous goes to the here. Current goes to next. In temp goes to the next. Null. Means current is null. Now stop. If current is null, then stop. Simply we can return the previous. If we return previous means this is our previous. Here is our previous. Previous pointed to the this one 3. This pointed to the 2. This pointed to the first 1 matlab. Okay. After that 1 pointed to the null. That's it. If we return the previous, our answer will be so simple. Okay. Can we write the code? Now understand. Now here we can write code. Our code will be, first we take pointer na node. First is current. Current is head. After that second one is previous. Previous pointer to the null first. After that take a while condition. While current is not null. Means current present. That means take a node. Start temp. It will be our current next. Current next. Store it. Okay. After that what you have to do? Just reverse na. Means current goes to the current next goes to the previous one. Then move the pointer. Previous goes to the current. And current goes to the temp. That's it. After that here we can return the previous. Okay. We can return the previous. Simply run this. Perfect. It's working. Now run this. Perfect. Okay, submitted. Now, if you want to return head, so first, what you have to do? Head pointer to the previous. Now we can return the head here. That's it. Now run this. Okay, submit. Is my voice audible? Okay, it's great. It's accepted or not? It is stop on. What is this? Right? Again submit this. I think there is a glitch. Now submit this. Okay, accepted. Now we move to the next one. Our next problem is middle of linked list. That means first I will explain you the second question. Middle of a linked list. Okay, that means we have given a list. We have given a list. Okay, that means we have given a list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our list. Okay, we have to return the middle one. That means if there is two condition, means if length is even, second if length is odd. If we have odd length, that means we can simply compute, okay, the middle one. Like we have there is 5 node, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we have the middle node, this one 3. Okay, after that if we have even, means we have 6 node, then which one is our answer? Means we have middle right now, we have 2 middle, 2 and 4 here. Okay, in even case we have 2 middle, so here we have to return the middle, second middle, we can say second middle, understand? We have to return the second middle, that means 4, not 3, there is 4. Okay, if we will take like this is our list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, we have this 2 middle, then we have to return the second middle, that means return 4. Understand? Next example, if we have like 1, 2, 3, that means odd length, that means there is only one middle, simply return this. Understand? So here we have many approaches to solve it, like 1, 4, 10, 15. This is our node. Okay, here is our head is pointed to null. That's it. In this problem, only this one given, like head and this pointed to null. We know, means we have given this one axis. After that, you have to return the middle, na? The first approach. We have many approaches, na? So talk about the first approach. Just simply count the node. Okay. Compute the middle. Count by 2. That's it. Then return the middle. Understand? That means we first count the total node. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6. Okay. 6 by 2. That is 3. If you take 3, okay, start from the 0. We can start from the 0 or 1. Okay. If you start from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Understand? That means just take here we start from the 0 or 1. Nothing. Okay. We can take it like up. It's up to you. You can start from 0 or 1, anything. Okay. If you have 6 node, means that means 3. Third node will be our answer. Means third node will be. This is our answer. But it even case. This is even now. We have to return the next one. Means 3 plus 1. Understand? This is 4. This is our middle. Okay. Means second middle, na? Understand? If we take like 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. This is our linked list. Then we start from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But our like we have count. Total count will be 6. That means it is even. And next we have to compute the middle. Middle equals 6 by 2. Okay, that means 3. This is our answer. Okay, if you take from 0, okay, but in odd case, what we will with on the odd case, like if we have node like that 1 2 3, that means 0 1 2. Okay, 3 by 2, that means 1. This is our answer. This is great, it's working. So we can start from the 0, but this is approach 1. You can solve it like this. Okay, just simply compute the middle and goes to the middle and return this. Simply take a current first. Okay, then count the node. We know the how many nodes is here. Okay, after they compute the mid is 3. Means you have to return the 3 1. Start from the 0, then goes to the like here, then if you point to here, then return this. Can we write? Just simply step 1. In step 1, count the total nodes. Compute middle. Okay. Current traverse to the middle. Traverse to reach middle. If you reach on the middle, then return this. Return middle. That's it. Now can we just we can write here. Our code will be, first of all, we have to compute the total length. Simply int count will be 0 first. Okay, after that take a node start temp, it will be current to the head, pointed to the head, while temp is not null. Simply we have to just count plus plus and count plus plus. After that we have to do temp goes to the next, increment in the temp goes to the next one. We have total count. Okay, we have total count here. Now compute the middle. Int middle equal to count by 2. We start from the 0, that means count by 2 only, not plus 1. Okay, after that we have middle. Okay, now start from the count. Middle will be here and what you have to do, temp again pointed to the head. After that temp goes to the middle. Start from the take a count here will be 0 again, while count less than middle. We have to reach middle. Count is less than middle, means we have to return the middle greater than middle, then it's 1, not less than middle. Then what you have to do, simply count plus plus and temp goes to the temp next. That's it. After that we reach the middle, then return the value or anything. We have to return this middle. Then if we return this, mean after that all the nodes will be here. Okay, we have to return the middle only. That's it. Now put it here. First of all, what you have to do, compute the length. Take a node start temp, it will point it to the head. Int count will be 0 here, while node current there is temp, while temp is present, then count plus plus and temp goes to the temp next. Okay, after that it's pointed to head, means we already on head, means that means count is 1. Head is not null. Okay, then count is 1, we initialize from 1. That means, because if we have this and head is here, then count, if we count the 0, then head is present. Okay, first of all head is present, then count plus 0 to 1, then head goes to the next. Okay, we can initialize 0 only. We can. Okay, this is 0, then goes to the next. Now we have the total count. Int middle. We compute the middle. Middle will be count by 2 here. After that, count again, set to 0, reset it, and temp pointed to the head again. Now while count less than middle, just simply count plus and temp goes to the temp next. That means temp pointed to the middle, then return the temp here. Put middle, temp. Okay. After that, run this. Temp pointed to the head. Acha, node. Here node name is list node na. So take list node again. Run this. Count plus here needs semicolon. Okay, we have to wait some time. Now try it again. Run this. Yeah, accepted. Okay, it's accepted. Now submit this. Accepted. That means we first count the total node, means each take in time. Okay, after means in time we can compute the middle. Okay, but we have a very famous approach. That means it will work in more questions. If you solve further question na, we need this approach. So talk about the second approach. Approach second, that is very important. Okay, it's called slow fast approach. Okay, that means we have 2 pointers, slow and fast. We have to compute middle. Our problem is we have to find the middle of a linked list. Okay, so approach 1 is clear. So this is our approach 2, that called slow and fast approach. Okay, that means we have 2 pointers, slow and fast. Slow goes to the slow means 1 step at a time, but fast goes to the 2 step at a time. Okay, slow means 1 step, fast means 2 step. Okay, if just think, fast is here and slow is also here. Fast goes to the 10 kilometer. Where is slow? Slow is only half na, 5 kilometer. Fast is goes to the 100 kilometer. Slow is 50 kilometer. Okay, now again we can think like slow, fast. Slow take 1 step. Okay, fast goes to the 2 step. This will again 1 step. This will go to the 2 step. Okay, then that means it's covered the 2 step total. It cover 4 step. Okay, again slow, fast means slow goes to the 10 kilometer. It goes double na. It goes to the 20 kilometer. It goes to the 1000 kilometer. Fast goes to the 2000 kilometer. That means if slow goes to the n kilometer, fast goes to the 2n kilometer. Okay, That means if fast cover n kilometers, okay, then slow cover only n by 2 kilometer. This is clear. If fast cover n kilometer, that means slow cover only n by 2 kilometer, means half. That means, now catch it. If we have linked list like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, our slow is here, fast is here. If slow reach to the end, means n, okay, it goes to the n by 2, okay na. If fast cover n kilometer, that means slow cover only n by 2 kilometer, means half. This is our medium. That's it. This is our approach. Now look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have two. One is slow, second one is fast. Fast goes to the 2 na. 1 step, 2 step. Fast is here. Okay, slow only 1. Slow is here. Okay, after that fast goes to the 2, 1, 2. Fast is here. Okay, slow goes to the 1. Slow is here. After the fast goes to the here. Slow take 1 step only, so slow is here. After the fast goes to here, then null. Fast is null. That means slow is here. If fast on the null, then we have to stop. When you have to stop it? When fast goes to the null. Why? Fast is null. Yeah. Fast next equal to null. If fast next equal to null, then we have to stop it. Okay, so we have to stop this here. This is our slow is here now. Slow is here. This is our answer. Okay, can we write this? This is our condition. While first of all, we write the code from the starting. First, take two node na node a star. First one is slow. It's pointed to the head first, and second one is node star fast. Fast pointed to the head. Both are pointed to the head first. While condition is fast is not null and fast next not null, means we have fast and fast next both. Then we just fast goes to the fast next to the next. That means 2 step, and slow goes to the slow next only. That's it. After that, slow fast goes to the null. That means slow point reach to the half. Okay, slow cover half distance. That means we can return slow here. That's it. This is our code. We can write here. Just simply remove this and take a two node. List node star. First one is slow, point to the head, and second one is fast, pointed to the head. Condition is while fast and fast next is not null. That means both are present. Then fast goes to the fast next to the next, means 2 step. Okay, after that slow goes to the slow next. After that we have to return the slow. Okay, now run this. Accepted. Now submit this one. Accepted. Clear? Move to the next problem. Our next problem is remove nth node from the end of the list. Understand? Now we can first understand the problem, then going to approach, then solve it. We have third question. What was it? Remove nth node. We have to remove nth node from end. Means from the end, like we can take an example. 1, 2, 3, 6, 10, 15. And k will be means 2. That means from the last, means this is our first last, second last, third last, like that, na? Means we have to second node from the last, second node from the last, first from the last, second from the last, means this one. We have to delete this. So how we will going to solve this? Head is here. Just think about it. We have many approach. Think. We can take this. Okay. Just simply, if we count total node, okay, okay, and subtract this second, like we count. Our approach will be approach. Okay. First step, we can count the total node. Okay. We can count the total node. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means count the total node. That means count will be here. Count is 3, 3, 6, 7. Okay. After that, second up. Step 1 is this. Step 2. We have to compute the node from the starting. We have to reach here now. We can traverse like that, this. Not like that. Okay. So we have to find the we have to find the nodes. Okay. Where we have to reach and delete. Okay. That means we have to reach this now. So simply we can compute like that. This position now we can position equal to count minus k. Count minus k. That means 7 minus 2. That means 5. We have to delete the fifth node from the starting. Okay, fifth node from the starting. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. Fifth node from a starting. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth node from a starting. That means we start from the 0. We take from 0 na. In last question, when we count the total load, we start from the 0, isn't it? No. We can like that. Position from a start na. We have to return this. First position, second position. Okay. 3, 3, 6, 7 minus 2, fifth node. And 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. We have to delete this fifth. Next. We have to delete this one here. So we can reach here. Okay. That means if we reach here, that means we access only this node, not this node. Okay. If we delete this, mean delete it. Okay. So we have to reach here and delete this one just before. Okay. Position is here. Our position will be 5. This one. Position is here. We have to return. Delete this. Just simply position. This is our we can current is here. Current. Delete the current next. First of all, before deleting, we have to store this na in temp. Okay. Current pointer to temp here and current next will pointer to the temp. This will be deleted. Okay. We can talk again. I will explain again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Value is changed, but our head is here. Okay. Simply first compute the length. Step 1. Count total node. That means take a node, a star temp. this will point to the head. Okay, while temp is present, then count plus plus and temp goes to the next. Temp equal to temp next. Okay, after that we compute the total length. Okay, there is count int count will be 0 here. We compute the total length. First step. Step 2. Step second. We have to find the position. Int position. Position will be count means total count minus k. K is given now. That means we compute the position. After that, temp again pointed to the head first and count again reset it 0 while count less than position. Less than position means 5 na? Equal to position. We have to reach to the position. That means here. Okay. So we can if we can like count plus plus and temp goes to the next. Temp next here. That's it. After that we have to delete temp next now. Just simply temp is here, our temp will be here. We have to delete this. Okay, just simply temp next we can say this node to delete. Make a node star node to delete. Point here is temp next. Sorry, this is our temp next. Temp next is here. After that this is our node to delete and simply temp pointed to the next one na? So temp next will be temp not temp node to next no, sorry node to delete ka next. Okay, that means this is our node to delete. Temp pointed to the node to delete next. This one now we can delete this. Delete node to delete. Okay, now we can write here. Step 1. Step 1. Count the total node. First of all, int count start from the 0. List node now. List node star. There is a temp or we can say temp or current anything. Pointer to the head. While temp is present. Temp is not null. That means simply count plus plus and temp goes to the temp next. Okay, after that we have total node. Okay, compute the position. Second step. Step 2. Compute the position from starting. Okay, from starting we have to compute the position. Int position equal to count minus n, given n here. Okay, again temp will be point to the head again and count is again 0. After that, while take a condition count less than count is less than position equal to, we have to go to the equal to, not equal to. If count is less than position, that means it goes to the next one. Just think, temp will be temp goes to the temp next. After that temp goes to the temp next and count will be plus plus. That means we after in this line we done a mistake. If we count is less than equal to position, if we count equal to position, if you take like that now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we have to delete this n equal to 2 here. That means total count equal to total equal to 7 here. Position will be 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Position is here. Position is here our. If we take here till here equal to, that means current goes to mean, that means temp will be here. If we have equal to position, that means it will going. If equal to position, it will work. So temp will be going to the next. The temp is here. Means that means we can't go to the equal to. We just go to the less than. Okay, we can go to the only less than, not equal to. That means position से एक पीछे. That means left one from the position. Position is here. That means we can't go to here. That means here we can stop. Then our current will be here. That means temp will be here. Now correct. Okay. Yeah, temp next count is here. Take a list node. List node star node to delete. Node to delete. Story and temp next. Okay. After that, temp next pointed to node to delete. Zero node to delete. Next. That's it. Now temp next point to the node to delete. Then delete the node. Node to delete. That's it. Now run this. Forgot something. Okay, count here. It's correct now. While loop is here. Okay. After that, again while loop is here. That's it. So, what I forgot? Again run this. While function would return a value. Okay, we have to return something. List node now. Simply we can return the here 8. That's it. Now run this. After dealing, we have to return the pointer type list node. We did something wrong. Temp next goes to the node to the next to next. Is this not correct? Simply node to the next, node to delete. Okay, node to delete next. Perfect. Temp next is node to delete. Node to delete next. Perfect. Now delete the node to delete. We just check the spelling of all. Perfect. Perfect. Store here, node to delete. Okay. It is 1. We have to return this. If we have to return the head value, we have to handle one more thing. If we have to return the node value, means head, like 1 2 3, 1 2 3, n equal to 3, means start from the last 1 2 3, means we have to delete the first node. We have to delete the first node, then we have to do the head is here. If we delete this, then we lose the all access. Simply head goes to the here, next one, then simply delete it. Here we can like okay. If in here in n equal to count, means total count or n equal to same. If both are same, then simply list node star list node like that. N is list node star. We can new head, make a new head. Okay, new head equal with head next. Head next. After that, delete the head and return the new head. That's it. After that, Go to delete. Now run this. Again, this is incorrect. We can simply say temp next to next. We can say like that. Temp next to next. Okay, temp next goes to the next to next. That means we just store it here. Okay, wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our, we have to delete this now. This is our temp. Temp goes to the temp to next means temp goes to the next here 7. Okay, this is our node to delete. Now delete this. Okay, this is deleted. Now our answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Perfect. Now run this. This node, wait a second. This temp next goes to the temp next to the next. First of all, we just check here. This node to delete. Okay, it is our temp next. Temp next equal to temp next to next. Okay, delete to node to delete. This is correct, I guess. After that, we can like this will be our first compute the count. Okay, now it is here. This is correct, but what's wrong with it? Run this again. How much time will take? 52 minutes. Oh my god. If n equal to 1, that means we have to return the 2. Okay, we have to return the second. Is 2 minus 1, 1, and 0 and 1. We start from the 0, 0 and 1, 1 is here. Okay, no, means our approach is correct. Okay, simply we have to check this again. Take a count 0, temp, pointer to head, while temp is present, simply count plus plus, and temp goes to the temp next. That's it. If n equal to count, make a new head, that is head next, then delete the head and return the new head. That's it. Now we count the position. Okay, count minus n, temp point to the head, and count. Wait a second, count is 0. Okay, count less than position. Count is less than position. That means will be less than position. It's working here. We have to check one more thing. If it's present, if temp next to next is not enough, then we have to do it. Okay, now run this. It did something wrong. In position is here, position count will be 0 and 0 to position, less than position, count plus plus, and temp goes to the temp next. Okay, we have to check here one more thing. Temp not equal to null. And now again wrong. What is it? Everything is okay, but we can compute here count less than position. We have to problem in this line. Temp next goes to the temp next to next. This is correct. Temp next to next is not none. Then it's pointed to the temp next. Okay. After that, it is return the head here. I guess this is correct. You can like just think about it. We have like this now. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have to n equal to 2. Total node equal to 7. Position equal to 7 minus 2 equal to 5. That means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our position is here. Okay. We have to reach here, na? So position is like count is 0. Then we start from here. Then count will be, if temp is present, then count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count is here. Okay. After that, our temp is here. Temp goes to here, na? Less than 5, 4. यानी कि temp is here. Temp next to next. Okay. Temp next to next is this one. We pointed to this to this. Correct. We delete this. Approach is correct, but we start from the count 1. Count will be 1. First one. Then here is 1. Then goes to the next. Okay. We can count initialize from the 1. If we initialize from the 1, that means 1 is here. Okay, count is here. Temp is here. Okay, on the head now. Then if temp is not null, means less than position, our position will be like this. We have to return first one. Return the first one from the last. That means we have size is 2 and return the first one means 1. Means 1 position. We have to return this, not this now. You have to return this one. Delete this one. So you have to reach here. Simply, if we start from the 0, then 0. Right now 0. Then it goes to the next. Then it will be 1 here. That means our count is not correct. Count will be 0 here first. 1 here. Not start from the 0. Start from the 1. That means here we can start from the 1. Count will be 1 here. That's it. Now run this. One more thing, we can write like that. Now run this. Not working. Count is 0. Simply we can take another thing, int. We can take I equal to 1 here, and position is I, simply I plus plus. Maybe it's again we did something wrong. We not need to check this. Now run this. Now perfect. Okay. Int I equal to 1. 1 less than position. Okay. Same goes to the next and I plus plus. Okay, perfect. Now submit this. Okay. So here your doubt is why we initialize from the 1. Okay. That means let's understand this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you count the total nodes, means we have to initialize like we have to count the node. Means first we have 0, then for each node we increment 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total node is 7. But we want to find the position. Okay, means we follow the 0 based indexing. So start from the 0. Okay, for indexing, this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if we will follow the 0 based indexing, you have to find the position. Now position will be 7 minus 2. This one. This is our 5th position. Okay, for the 0 based indexing. Okay, this is our 5th position. We have to reach the 4th position. means less than 5, less than position. We have to reach here, less than position, that is like count. If we start from the 0, then it's correct. Less than position means not sorry. We can like position is our here na 5. Position is 5. Position is here, but we have to reach less than position. Less than position means here. If we reach here, then temp goes to the here. Means we have to position -1. But we write here only position. That means we start from the 0. If we start from the 1, start from 1. If we start from the 0, we want to start from the 0. That means we have to reach position -1. Understand? That means we start from the 0, then position -1. If we start from the 0, then count. We need position -1. Okay, less than position -1 means position -1 is here. Then we reach only here. Then goes to this. That means we dry run this. We can dry run this. Position is 5. Okay, start from the 0. We have two cases. 1 second. Chalo. Okay. Simple. Position equal to 5. Position equal to 5 in both cases. Okay. Now, if you initialize the count, I equal to 0, I equal to 1. Okay. For I equal to 0. Okay. Just simply remove something. For I equal to 0. Okay. Look at this. I is 0. Right now, we have to I less than position. Okay. I is 0. I less than position. If we run this, I less than position, that means I is 0. Then it goes to temp here, 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 here. I less than position, na? I is here. Then it's working. I less than position, that means working. Then temp goes to here. But we want temp here, na? Temp is here. We want here. So if I goes to the position, less than position, that means less than position here. If I is here, then simply it's working. If it's working, that means inside the this one, I less than position, that means temp goes to the temp next. Temp goes to the temp next. Means temp is will be here. This is not clear. We want here, na? So we take position -1. If I is here, means we have to go I less than position -1. If I is 1, we start from the 1 first, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. So we have to reach 6th, na? Means this is our 6th right now. Okay, we start leave it the index. Okay, just understand what I say. Here, our I is only position. I start from the 1, first 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Link. That means I is less than position. I less than position. Okay, only position. Position less than here. I. Okay, I is here. Okay. If I is here, temp goes to this one. But we start from the 1, na? Simply means our 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here. We reach to the 5. That means here. We reach here, temp will be here. If we start from this, only we can less than position. If we start from the 0, that means we have to write the position -1. Why? We understand less than position. We run the both case. In previous case, we just initialize here 1. Now submit. Accepted. Okay. For the second case, it may 1. I start from the 1 or less than only position. Okay. Now run it. Perfect. Working. Understand? So move to the next problem. Our next problem is remove duplicate from a sorted linked list. Okay, our next problem is question number 4. Remove duplicate from sorted linked list. That means we have given a list 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5. We have to return like that. 1 is here, then 1 is duplicate, remove this, then 2, then this is duplicate, remove, then 4, then 5. This is our answer. Understand? So simply we have to just compute the adjacent element. Temp and temp next. If both are same, then simply temp goes to the next. Understand? Our approach will be, okay, here we can write the approach. Okay, approach. First, we have to traverse now. Okay, check current and current next. Current next. Check. Okay, check. What you have to check? Current and current next. If both are same, we have two conditions. If same, then delete. If both same, we have to delete current next, means duplicate element. Okay, after that, else, in else condition, both are same. If not same, then simply store in the delete. If not same, then move to the next node. Okay, after that, repeat until temp goes to the null. Okay, now we can write it here like we check now. Take a node first, node star current or temp, anything pointed to the head. Okay, while current is present and current next is also present, means not null. Current and current next is present, then check for the current data. Current data equal to current next data. If both are same, simply delete na node star store the next node current next to next. Store it current next to next because we don't want to lose the access. Okay, just delete the current next. Delete current next. After deleting current next, pointed to the current next, pointed to the current next. That's it. Okay, in else condition. In else condition means both are not same. Then simply current goes to the next. That's it. Now we can write here. Make a node star current pointed to the head. While check current is present and current next also present. Both are not null. Simply check the if current data equal to if equal to current next data. That means we found the duplicate. Simply delete na, so make a node star next node. We can say next node, that is current next to next. Store it here. Now delete this. Delete. This is current next. Delete here. Now current next pointed to the next node. That's it. After that, in the else condition, simply current goes to the next. Current will be current next. Okay. After that, we can return the head. Return head here. That's it. One more thing, we have to handle this issue like if current is null. Head is null means empty list. We don't have to return, sorry, delete anything. Okay, return is sorry, head. And one more thing, head next is null. That means only one element. Head next, that means only one element is present. We don't have duplicate, so simply return the head. That's it. Now run this. Test is passed. Now submit this one. Perfect. Now move to the last problem. Our last problem is move the last element to the front. This is our last problem. Okay, this is our last problem. Question number 5. Okay, move last element to the front of a linked list. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Input is this. Okay, what you have to do? This is our head. We have to make move last element. This is our last element. Is pointed to null. That means last element is pointed to the head front. 5 is here. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 go to null. Our output will be like that. So our approach is simply we can just take a temp. Temp point to the reach to the last. Temp is here. Temp next will be head. Okay. After that, temp next is head. Head pointed to the here. And head sorry. First of all, we lose connection from here. Na? So head next goes to the null. And head now head pointed here. Sorry. So if we write the approach, first take a tail. Okay. Take node star tail. Okay. It's pointed to the head first. Second, while tail is present, when tail is not null, tail goes to the next. Tail equal to tail next. That means tail reach to the last one. After that, tail pointed to the first na tail. Next, pointed to head. Okay. That means we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head is here. Tail is here. Tail while tail is present. Tail goes to the next. Tail is here. Tail is here. Here tail. Okay. Tail is present. Tail goes to the next. After that, tail is here. That means tail goes to null. Stop it. Tail is here. Okay. So tail next. Now tail next goes to the head. Tail next goes to the head. Pointed to here. Okay. After that, what you have to do? Just simply head next. Head next pointed to 2 now. We have to point it to head next pointed to. Yeah, great. This is here. Okay. This is correct. Head next goes to the sorry, tail next goes to the head. This is correct, but we have to point it to null. It is our next element. Sorry, last element right now. Okay, so we have to take one more thing. Previous. Okay, previous is we can take again a previous na. You have to return the last node to the first. Last is here. So or pointed to null. We take a previous one. Okay. So we can say we just traverse like here only. We can tell. We can like what we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Head, tail. If you point tail only this one, not here. So we can tail next to next is here. We can like tail next is its next will be pointed to head. Now correct. Okay, perfect. Now tail next, tail next pointed to the null. Okay, and one more thing, head pointed to the tail. Head equal to tail. Perfect. These three lines. But how we will traverse tail just before one? Simply while tail next present. Not tail next present. So we reach here only. Okay, write it here. Take a node star tail. We can tail or tail. Pointer to the head. Condition while tail next is present. Tail next is not null. Simply tail goes to the tail next. Okay, perfect. After tail is reached, so tail next pointer to the head. After that, tail next pointer to the null and head pointer to the tail. After that, return the head. That's it. Now run this. We take 1 hour and 60 minutes. Segmentation fault. Tails. First of all, node head equal to tail, while tail next is present. Tail next is present, tail goes to the next. Node next, tail next is present. If tail next, that means tail next is present, then it's gonna tail next to next present. One more thing, we have to return the tail next to the next present, then tail goes to the next. Perfect. Now we have to handle one more thing. If head is null, means empty list, or one is single list, head next. So this is same now. Return the head. If only have one element or sorry one node, that means if we move, this is same. Now run this. False. That means our output is 2 only. Okay, that means I don't know why. Head pointed to the tail now. First of all, we check head and head next is null. Then return the head. Take a tail, point to the head. Tail next to next goes to the tail next. Okay. Tail next point to the head. Head goes to the okay. We have to return like we have to make first element now. That means एक second tail next will be null. And one more thing, tail next is null. Tail is here. Tail next is null. But just think, tail is this now. So head pointer to tail. When simply it's pointer to null, we return this only. So tail point to the tail next now. Tail next this one, because it become the head. Okay, it pointed to here now. So tail next. We have to just head equal to tail next. That's it. And tail next before this now. Tail next pointed to null just before this. Now perfect. Run this. Accepted. Now submit this one. Submit yaar. Yeah, not working. Refresh it. Now submit this. Perfect. Accepted. We done 5 questions. Reverse a linked list, middle of linked list, remove nth node, remove duplicate, move last element to the first. Okay, we done 5 questions today. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.